Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
High expectations by people of Meghalaya when this government has taken, because in one hand a very experienced Congress left the party and joined with them. In the other hand, late P.A. Sangma's legacy, Conrad Sangma and James are highly educated. But unfortunately, I think that expectations which the people had at the initial stage, that has almost zero now. People thought that they will serve the people, but I think very unfortunately they're trying to serve only for themselves and their friends and maybe families. So that is the common talk. You know better than me with a kind of common talk of people. So I think if you rating it this way, this is zero. There's nothing extra. Till date, they have not done anything for the development. Till date, see now, drugs is the biggest issue for Meghalaya. They have not done anything, rather it has increased. They have increased the excise duty, but not a single rehabilitation center they have made. They have taken lots of money from the drunkards, but they have not done anything for them. They are in COVID. You see, many other states they could control it, but here we cannot control it. And if you look, coal, they promise coal, rather they loot from the drivers. So people will not be happy to, they loot from the drivers, they loot in the name of COVID, they loot in the name of poor people for rice, they loot in the name of drugs addicts and all. So all these things, I think people have lost the expectations from them. That's why I say there's zero rating, rather it should be minus if you compare to many of the areas. We lost so many resources, forests, we lost so many resources, you see, and lots of pollution nowadays has come. So rather I think the public totally lost the confidence on them. This is what I am rating them.